Hi friends, welcome back to our kids yoga time. Today we'll gently stretch, move our bodies and bring in some positive energy. Remember, go slow, follow your own pace and take breaks anytime you need. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. Take a deep breath. Gently hug your knees to your chest. Feel your body relax and soften. Slowly drop your knee to the side. Stretch and breathe. Your body melts like warm clouds. Hold your feet and smile inside. Rock gently. Your body feels light, happy and free. Bring your feet together. Let your knees fall open. Your heart feels calm and peaceful. Lift one leg up, hold it softly, breathe in, breathe out. The stretch feels slow and gentle. Cross your ankle over your knee, hug the leg in, breathe calmly, muscles relax and unwind. Lift your legs up, let them rest. Imagine floating in the sky. Your body feels light. Stretch your arms long, feel your belly open, breathe slowly. Your body grows soft and warm. Reach your arms and toes, make your body long, breathe deeply, feel calm and cozy. Close your eyes, let your body rest. Quiet mind, slow breath, sweet peaceful relaxation. Great job today! You did amazing! Thank you for practicing with us. We can't wait to see you again for the next yoga routine. Bye-bye!